What's up, everybody? Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the new WalletConnect token. Ticker symbol is WCT. Now this token is not available yet. They will be having their TGE soon, but this token just went up a day or two ago for pre-trading. You can get the pre-token right now off a big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on the new WalletConnect network token and talk about how you can get the pre-tokens and how you can get the real token in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the services of the WalletConnect network resemble traditional Web 2 off-chain infrastructure more than blockchain technology. Now, if you've ever, tried to connect a wallet to like a decentralized wallet to anything, one of the options I'm sure that you've seen pop up is WalletConnect. And it's very popular project. And now they are coming out with their own token, the WCT token. That's the ticker symbol. And it was just announced that this token started the pre-minting pre-tokens here February 5th, so just basically 2 days ago, they started listing their pre-tokens for trading on COINEX Global. So if you're looking to get the pre-tokens, you can, if you don't have a COINEX Global account, I do have a COINEX Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that COINEX Global referral code down there, open an account. Then you would fund your account with USDT. Then you go into the trade section, the pre-trading zone, and you would search WCT, and what will pop up is PRE_WCT. So that implies pre-tokens, and then you simply just trade for the token. Now, pre-tokens are a little bit different than the actual token. It's not the real token. The real token will be coming out soon, and if you want to learn more about pre-tokens, it says here, pre-WCT is a pre-token under the WCT project. Its price reflects market expectations of the price of WCT after it is listed on the spot market. And you can learn more about that on COINEX.com if you look that up, and you can read about what pre-tokens are. But on this channel, we've gone over what pre-tokens are many times. But if you want to learn more about that, you can. And, shortly, this token, if we look up, first of all, we could look up here. It says total supply 1 billion tokens. Now, how the token is split up, we got 7% going to core development, 27% to the WalletConnect Foundation, 17.5% going to rewards. We have 18.5% going to airdrop, 18.5% going to team, 11.5% going to previous backers. Now, the WCT token is the native token of the WalletConnect network, securing the network through staking, rewards, fees, and governance. So this token will be listed soon on COINEX Global, and I'm sure other exchanges as well. And it looks like here, purchase period for the pre-rounds closed February 11th, 17 hours UTC time. And then shortly after that, I'm sure the token will be listed. And if you follow the Twitter in the corner of the screen right here at WalletConnect, I'm sure they're going to announce when the listing will be. They have 184,000 Twitter followers. Super huge project. Their webpage is walletconnect.network, and over there you could find a white paper And it says the WalletConnect network is the on-chain UX ecosystem that makes Web3 work by facilitating users' use of any wallet across any app and platform. As a chain-agnostic infrastructure, it operates across ecosystems from EVM and its L2s to Solana, Cosmos, Polkadot, Bitcoin, and more. The network has played a crucial role in the installing of many Web3's UX standards, fostering today's composable and interoperable Web3 ecosystem. Since its inception in 2018, WalletConnect has established itself as a critical infrastructure in the Web3 space. Now, the protocol's ability to provide secure and end-to-end encryption connections has been fundamental in creating interoperability for every wallet, every app, and every chain. Based on this protocol, a network of participants and contributors are creating the WalletConnect network. Key milestones include expansion to over 40,000 applications and 600 plus wallets, facilitation of more than 150 million connections as of 2024, consistent growth in daily remote connections, evidencing widespread adoption, transmission to a permissioned decentralized database supported by third-party node operators. And they have here a white paper or a document section you can find at docs.walletconnect.network. And they have a network section, service node section, wallet section. So the WCT token powers the on-chain UX ecosystem, acting as the reward token and the governance token, different mechanisms within the ecosystem. The WCT token has 4 primary functions within the WalletConnect network. At first, the network will not charge fees, but token holders will have the ability to vote on fees being charged for network services such as relay usage and other future services. WCT tokens are distributed as rewards to incentivize participation and contribute to network security and efficiency. Participants can stake a WCT tokens to earn rewards and participate in governance. WCT holders can vote on proposals and changes, giving the community control over the network's development through decentralized governance. The rationale behind the initial non-transferability is multifaceted. So there's network functionality, long-term focus, infrastructure protection, and ecosystem development. So you can learn more about this project at docs.walletconnect.network and the WCT token. Follow the Twitter here to see when the TGE will be. But as of now, you can get the pre-tokens off COINEX Global. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there, especially that COINEX Global one. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.